So you want to start making luxury embellished outfits, but you're not quite sure of the things that you need to own in order to start making those types of things as a business for clients. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing everything that you must have in order to start making custom embellished, sparkly, bespoke, beautiful, outstanding outfits. So if you'll be interested in knowing all that you need to own in order to start making these types of outfits that I've described, please make sure you watch this video all the way through. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. It's fabulous on here. It's a very engaging, creative, enlightening space. So please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Feel free to share any video that you enjoyed watching with your friends and family. Like every video that you watch. Okay, that's your way of just showing me that you're enjoying all that it is that I come on here with to share with you all. And yeah, guys, let's get straight into the reason why we are here. Let's go. Okay, friends, before I jump into the reason why we are here, just in case this is your first time ever stumbling on my channel, welcome. My name is Funmibi Olawore. I like to talk about dresses. I like to talk about embellishment and just fashion design in general. I'm a fashion enthusiast based in Edmonton, Canada. I used to live in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria, and I used to say that in all of my videos, but sometimes I get questions on here, people saying, oh Fumbi, where are you located in Port Harcourt? I no longer live in Port Harcourt as of today. I don't know what might change in the future, but as of right now, I'm based in Edmonton, Alberta. That's how they say it here, Canada. So thank you for stopping by the channel. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like every video that you watch, subscribe, share this video with your friends, share any video that you watch on my channel with your friends and family, and feel free to engage in the comment section. If you have questions, if you just have feedback, feel free to drop those in the comment section. So must-haves for bespoke embellished outfits. The first thing that I have on my list is panels. Panels, they are very, very important. Panels are raining now. A lot of some, or not a lot, some of all these outfits that we see that have a lot of beading and just embellishments going on them, not every single one of them were like beaded from A to Z. Some of them have panels on them. And for people saying, for me, which one is panel again? I'm going to leave a picture or a video of what panel looks like on the screen. Panels, I don't think I've ever come on here to work with panels, and I don't know why. Those panels are expensive. Actually, I know why. Those panels are not cheap. For those that watched my market vlog when I made it last year, or was it 2 years ago now, one single panel in Mr. Okoro's shop as at that time was 70,000 naira. 70,000 naira for video that I don't know how you people will receive it. Seemed like a lot of investment for me at the time, right? So that's why I've never come on here to share videos on panels. But we have a lot of creatives on social media, Instagram, TikTok, that make videos showing how they like attach panels to the bodies of the outfit that they've already made. I will try to see if I can get any video on Instagram or TikTok and just put on here on the screen for you guys. Fumbi, remember to do this when you're editing, just to show you guys how these panels work and how to basically attach them or imbibe them, incorporate them into the work that you're doing. So you need panels. Another thing that you need are appliques. Appliques, they are just appliques. They make your life easy. They make your designs beautiful. Very, very important. We've seen a lot of designers like Vicky, Becca Needles and Stitches. Different designers come on here with appliques, and they incorporate appliques into their designs and just make the end result look very, 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 very aesthetically pleasing. And with appliques, you can incorporate appliques even into beading. You've beaded the cloth, you still put appliques on there just to make it shaprapra, make it very shiny and attractive and beautiful. A lot of times when we see beautiful designs, it's the mixture of different types of embellishment that gives us those fantastic results that we see on social media. With sparkly outfits as well, you need sparkly things, sparkly beads, sparkly stones. And for me, my favorite types of beads when it comes to making like sparkly things are crystal beads, broken glass beads, and rice beads. You see those three beads? There's nothing you put them on that will not sparkle. Crystal beads, broken glass beads, rice beads, those three, there's no way. It has to sparkle, it has to shine. Crystal beads, they just shine. They don't even, you don't have to do too much. Just hold it like this, put it in front of light, it's shining. Rice beads, same thing. You put it in front of anything, it's shining. So for me personally, they are like my favorite. When it comes to things like pearls, sugar beads, seed beads, sand beads, they are nice, they are useful, they have their own uses as well, but they don't necessarily give you the result that you're looking for when it comes to making sparkly outfits. And with crystal beads, when you go to any bead shop, just tell them you want to buy. Some people call it glass beads. Actually, I should point that out. Some people call it glass beads, but in Port Harcourt where I was staying, whenever I go to the market, it's crystal beads that the market people call it. The sellers, the wholesalers and retailers of beads, just tell them crystal beads and they'll give it to you. They come in different sizes. I've talked about crystal beads and their sizes. There's size 4, size 6, size 8, teardrop, different types of crystal beads. If you just incorporate them into anything, it just makes the end result look fabulous. Same thing with rice beads. Rice beads as well, they sparkle on their own. Like the bead on a normal day is a sparkly bead. So if you use it to bead on any type of outfits, be sure that the end result will look chef's kiss. Another thing that you need as well will be trimmings. And because you want to make sparkly, like attractive, very out there types of outfits, you need to make sure that when you're choosing your trimmings as well, you are choosing one that is sparkly and shiny. That's why I always talk about how it's very important to go to the market. I know some people say, I don't like going to the market is just too rowdy. But if you're trying to start a business, you can't sit down in your shop and be sending people. Sometimes those people will probably not even be able to choose the right things that you as a business owner will choose, or sometimes they'll take advantage of your ignorance and just be doing anyhow with your work. So it doesn't mean that every single time you're going to the market, but at least go to the market, see what is in vogue, see what is selling, how much is going for, what they look like, and determine if it's something that's going to be useful for you and your business, and just test things out basically. So trimmings, sparkly trimmings in particular, very, very important. Another thing that you need are stones. Stones would never ever, you can never run out of the need for stones when it comes to making bespoke outfits. When you see people like Vicky always, almost every outfit must have stone. It must have bead, it must have applique. Sometimes it will even have panel, okay? So these things are very, very important. And with your stones as well, your rhinestones, your croc stone, your claw stone, your stone, flat bottom stone, every stone, just get it and test them out and see how you like them, right? In order to determine which outfit or which design you want to incorporate them into. You also need sparkly fabrics, okay? When making sparkly or shiny bespoke designs, as much as you are trying your best to get beads, get stones, get appliques, panels and all of that, make sure that the fabric you're using too as well is a good quality fabric and it also has like some sparkle and shine to it. Go to Vicky James' page. If you don't know who Vicky James is, she's a fabulous fashion designer based in Lagos, Nigeria. She inspires me a lot. I love to come on here to talk about what she does with her business and all of that. So for my non-Nigerians that might be watching me and they're wondering who is Vicky that this girl is talking about, her name on Instagram is Vicky James Official. Go check her out. You would love what you see on there, okay? So as I was saying, make sure that you get a good quality fabric, and good quality fabrics are not cheap. That's why I come on here talking about don't run into loss because you are trying to people please. If you know the quality of the work that you're putting out and selling to people, make sure that you charge accordingly, okay? A customer that is bringing you fabric of 250k, when it's time to embellish and do all the nice things that will make the outfit look beautiful at the end of the day, when it comes to the embellishment, don't now go and be underpricing yourself, all in the name of, I don't want people to think I'm too expensive. Make sure that everything that you're doing in your business makes sense for you as the brand owner and for the business as the business that it is that you're running, right? So get good quality fabrics. And for fabrics, lace is a very fantastic choice. A lot of times the kind of lace that is selling right now in the markets, the lace fabrics are really, really gorgeous. You also have sugar lace. Sugar lace in particular sparkles and shine. I'll put a sample of an outfit that I saw Vicky wearing recently that she used. I believe that fabric was sugar lace, and there's sugar lace and there's sugar lace. There are some sugar lace that, you know, those lace that you wear that maybe because it has shine on it, when you wear it one day like this, you will turn to shine baby. You'll be shining because all the sparkles and stuff will be sticking to your skin. Those types of sugar lace, they're not necessarily the best quality. They do the job very well. They photograph very well. When you take pictures with them, it looks nice in pictures, but the discomfort of just shining and having glitters all over your body, I personally do not like it. So when buying sugar lace as well, make sure that you're buying a good quality sugar lace. Another thing that you will need in making gorgeous, sparkly, bespoke, beautiful custom outfits is good quality lining as well. Because a lot of times with all these fabrics that I called earlier, with lace and the rest of them, you need to put lining under them in order for them to look nice. And with lining as well, personally, I like Duchess satin as a form of lining for those types of fabrics. It makes the end result nice. Mikado as well can pass. Certain types of organza fabrics too can pass. It all depends on what you're trying to make. I have a different video that will probably come up right after this video where I talk about the best types of fabric for making custom luxury outfits. Those fabrics would never fail you. But for the sake of embellishment and all of that, I think all that I've talked about in today's video is all that I have for us today. I spoke about panels, appliques, trimmings, stones, beads, and all of that you can just incorporate into your outfit to make something fabulous. This video was very short and sweet. I hope we all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up. If you also have your additions, things that you think we would also need when making absolutely amazing, sparkly, outstanding outfits, please be sure to drop them down in the comment section. Drop your thoughts and suggestions down in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe, and yeah friends, I can't wait to see you all in another video very soon. Bye.